Some addresses simply exist. Others become part of Knoxville's legacy. Welcome to 5216 Hickory Hollow Road, nestled on 1.1 private acres in one of Knoxville's most prestigious neighborhoods, where timeless elegance, exceptional craftsmanship, and modern luxury come together. Surrounded by mature trees and distinguished estate homes, this is a rare opportunity in a community where properties seldom become available. Completely reimagined from the ground up, this 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath residence has been transformed with meticulous attention to detail throughout its 6,100 square feet of luxury. Every finish, fixture, and space was thoughtfully selected to create a home that is both sophisticated and inviting. At the heart of the home is a stunning designer kitchen, perfectly suited for entertaining and everyday living. A beautifully appointed butler's pantry provides seamless support for gatherings, while a dedicated coffee and espresso bar with built-in espresso system brings boutique-level luxury to your daily routine. The formal dining room, anchored by a beautiful fireplace, creates an elegant setting for memorable dinners and celebrations. What truly distinguishes this residence, however, is the vision behind it. These interiors were masterfully curated by acclaimed designer Donna Moore. Her work is rarely available to the public, making this residence an exceptional opportunity for those who appreciate timeless design and uncompromising quality. The lifestyle extends well beyond the home. Residents enjoy access to an optional membership private club with a resort-style pool, tennis courts, and pickleball, while Duncan Boat Dock and Marina is just about a mile away, making afternoons on the water easily accessible. More than a beautifully renovated home, 5216 Hickory Hollow Road offers privacy, prestige, and a level of craftsmanship rarely found in today's market. Some homes impress. This one becomes part of your legacy. Call Marcie Bledsoe Brubaker or Kathy Cardwell of Smoky Mountain Realty direct